What's going on YouTube? Uberman here, and I'm here to give you a quick tip that I learned from ChrisFix. If you don't know who ChrisFix is, if you're watching this channel, I'm sure you already do. ChrisFix is a gentleman that teaches the average Joe how to work on their cars, and one of the things he showed me was how to get tree sap off of your car. Now there's all kinds of products, guys, and I've actually been trying them. I've tried a turtle wax version, I've tried goof off, stuff that's made for removing tar and bug sap, tar, bugs, and tree sap, and nothing has worked. I mean nothing. And I want to show you something. If you look right here at the paint on this car, you can see this whole car is just covered in tree sap. But look right here. How about that? How did I do it? Well, thanks to ChrisFix, I learned that you can use alcohol spray or just alcohol from a bottle. So what I did is I bought this spray. This is 91%, so this is, I think, as high as you can get it. Got it from Walgreens, obviously. And check this out. You don't need to leave it on here long. Just spray it on the affected area. And look, you can see it actually starting to melt. It doesn't even require a whole lot of labor. You could just leave it sitting there for just a little bit. I wouldn't leave it on there too long. But this whole area that was covered in tree sap literally just, just melts away. Now, obviously, this is going to take some work. This isn't something that you're going to knock out in 20 minutes. But take a look at this. I mean, just a minute ago, that looked, let's try to find a better spot, like this. This whole car is just littered in this tree sap. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. All right, we've got our alcohol spray. We're just going to find us a nice spot like right here. We're going to let it set for just a moment. And we're just going to add a little bit of pressure. Look at that. Now you can see all around. But look at this spot right here. How about that? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I had to show you just one more time. One more time. Look at this paint. All right, I'm sure a lot of people would probably think, man, this is just ruined, right? I mean, you would probably just give up. Look at this windshield. I don't even know if you can see all this, but the windshield is just covered. So are the windshield wipers. Look at this. All right, now take a step back, and I want you to take a look at this. Dirty half of the car. Clean half of the car. Look at that. And you can follow with me up, and you can see dirty half, clean half. Look at this. Now there are some spots. These spots are actually rock chips. Okay? Before. After. Pretty remarkable, right? And for the windshield, I decided to do half and half. So on this half, hopefully you can see all these specks all over it. But as you come over here, you can see they're all gone. Even on the wiper arm, even on this plastic trim right here. You can see the plastic trim where I've cleaned. You can also see where I missed some spots. And you can see over here what it looked like before. Just covered. Unbelievable. And I'm telling you, this is not labor intensive, people. This is just wipe on, wipe off. You may have to hit it 2 or 3 times, soak it real good with alcohol, but this works. This really works because this entire car looks just like that. And I've hit this spot right here on the roof one time, just once, and you can see I've got most of it except for some of this bigger stuff. But if you look right behind it, let's see if I can, right here, this is what it used to look like. It was just covered, just like the rest of the car, completely covered. So hey, don't get me wrong, it's going to be a big job, and it's going to be time consuming, but it sure beats what I was going to pay a detail shop to do the exact same thing. And I don't know if it's just me, but look at this headlight. I hit that with alcohol, nothing else. And now look at the other headlight. Is it just me, or does the headlight that I hit with alcohol look a million times better? In fact, let's do this on camera real quick, because that was something I wasn't even aware of. But it looks like the alcohol actually cleaned up. Again, let's douse it with some alcohol. And then just proceed to give it a good wipe. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to hit this headlight again. We got a lot off. There's still more. It looks a ton better. I mean, a ton better. So I have to admit that was unexpected, but I'll take it, man. I'll absolutely take that. Right on. And you can, hear me talking while I'm doing this. Like I'm not scrubbing my life away on this thing. And there's that headlight, just like that. I think it looks a lot better, whole lot better. How about that? Shout out to ChrisFix. Thank you, ChrisFix, because now I was going to pay a detail shop quite a sum of money to get this off. I'm still going to pay him to do the waxing and the steam cleaning, but it's going to cost me a whole lot less now that I can get the tree sap off myself. So again, ChrisFix, big thumbs up to you, man. Shout out. Thank you so much for helping me with this. You saved me a lot of money. I suggest you go check out his channel. As always, if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you think it sucks, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to comment below, and I'll catch you guys soon in the next one.